Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show how to download the data from Geo or SRA on Mac. This can equally be applied on Windows computer as well. I struggled a lot, so I hope this is useful for you all. So first thing to do is we need to find a way to install SRAtoolkit. And what I have here is, so you can see there are a lot of windows open. What I have is a web page how to install the SRAtoolkit. You can download whichever works for your operating system. As I'm using Mac, I'm going to use the one for Mac OS X. Make sure it is compatible with your Mac chip and operating system. So I'm going to make a directory called SRA data. Let's go there. I'm going to paste this. So it will take a while to download. Once this is done, I'm going to copy this, or basically what I need to do is I need to type tar vxzf and the file, but we need the, okay, anyway, so once you hit the tab button, it will take the file itself. So once this is done, now we want to export the path so that it will work. So here is the path, but we need to change a few things. As you can see, the name is not same as we would expect. So we'll do SRAtoolkit.3.1.0 -Mac -X 86_64. So once this is done, if you do this, then you'll get the location for the toolkit. And if you want to test, then if you copy this line of code, you should be able to get the results that's given down on that web page. So let's say now I want to download any sequence from the Geo or SRA, whatever I want to do. So I'll make a directory called, let's say, sequences. And to make it easy, I'm going to download it all here, or just one here for now. So you can see there are some files now. We are concerned about that folder called sequences. So we're going there. So in this, all we have to do now is we will do fastq-dump, and we will just use the let's say, for example, this RR30698. It's there. So as this is downloaded, let me show you one of the run I want to download. One of the runs actually. So this is, I'm interested in bone marrow derived macrophages and how they behave in different polarized conditions. This is a data set where they have polarized the macrophages using different cytokines. This is interferon gamma, IL-4. This is the control with PBS. Is interleukin 10, 18, at different, and combination of 10 and 18. So you can see these are there. Let's try to download just one of them. So I'm going to copy this and going to my fastq-dump file. What I can see now is this sequence data is being downloaded. It will take time based on the speed of your internet and the size. So let's go to documents and sorry, we're going to go to SRA data, which is here. This is our sequences, and you can see it's downloading that SRA 390728. So it's about 222.6 megabytes. And I'll show you once this is completed. Sorry, my internet is pretty slow. Yeah, if you are connected to wired connection, it is much faster. So anyways, this is how you can do it. If you want to learn more about this thing, you can type in fastq-dump -- help. I'll put a link to the web pages I explored. If you have any questions, please comment below or reach out to me. Thank you so much for watching it.